When you're planning a heavy-duty workshop, one of the biggest decisions is this. Do you choose mobile column lifts, an inspection pit, or a fixed lift? The right answer depends on your space, your workflow, and the types of vehicles you handle every day. Let's start with mobile column lifts. These are ideal if you want flexibility. You can move them between bays, use them on different vehicle types, and avoid committing one area of the workshop to a permanent lifting setup. They're a great option for workshops that need to maximize floor space and keep operations adaptable. Next, inspection pits. Pits are a strong choice if you want a permanent, efficient work area for routine inspections and servicing. They allow quick access underneath the vehicle, and in many workshops, they support a smooth workflow for frequent maintenance tasks. They're especially useful when you have a dedicated bay and consistent vehicle throughput. Then there are fixed lifts. These work well when you want a dedicated lifting solution in a set location. They can be a good fit for workshops with a defined process and enough space to commit to a permanent setup. If your workshop layout is stable and your lifting needs are predictable, fixed lifts can make a lot of sense. So, which is right for your workshop? If flexibility matters most, go with mobile column lifts. If you want fast access for regular servicing, an inspection pit could be the better choice. And if you have a permanent bay with a fixed workflow, fixed lifts may be the right investment. The best solution is the one that matches how your workshop actually works, not just what looks good on paper. Need help choosing the right setup? Get in touch with Total Care.